boys and girls, it's me Miss Tuyen again, and today I would like to show you how to make kinetic sand at home with just 2 ingredients. Let's go!
2 ingredients you need for the kinetic sand is salt and toothpaste. You can use any type of toothpaste you want. I have the black one here. This one is purple and this one is light blue. So we are going to make 3 different colors of sand today. Alright, first let's get some salt. You can put as much salt as you want. Okay, I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons here. Then we will add in the toothpaste. You will add the toothpaste slowly, and then you will try to mix it. You have to mix them very well so that they all combine together. It might take a long time, but the result is gonna worth it. You will have to mix them for about 3 to 4 minutes to make sure they all combine to each other. You can check by grab the salt, and if it looks like this, you're almost done. And ta-da! I have my 3 different colored sand. I have my blue one, purple, and gray. Now it's time to play.